we're never going to know what's real anymore. So previously, you know, I showed you this motion control using Kling inside of Higgsfield, which is a place for models. I'll show you more in a minute. But basically, this guy records this video and then overlays it with this. So it's like he's wearing a new skin. And side note, watch to the end and you can see how you can actually earn using these AI influencers. So basically here on Higgsfield AI, it has all the latest image models, all the latest video models, etc. And you can create like characters and stuff. Well, they've just dropped AI influencer. Now, on here, they have a bunch of preloaded ones on the left. So kind of pretty weird ones, if I do say so. Like, you know, these ones here. But also, they can create some normal ones. So we have this one here, which is Briar. And I've gone down here to customize the character just to say, you know, remove the vitiligo, see if it could do that. There we go. And then I've said, go and, you know, make it a bit more modest, chill, and someone in the living room. And then boom, it's created this one. Now, these consistent characters you can then create videos from. So these are like AI influencers that you can now use to go and create videos, which is mental. Now, you can also create them just from scratch, so you can click create new. But this is such high demand right now that they hardly have any time, as you can see here, to actually fulfill this. So, but you can go and use these as a baseline, and it's kind of a workaround we can do when it's, you know, overly subscribed. And from here, you can change the character. So, like human, you can then go down which gender, which ethnicity, skin color, eye color, all crazy stuff too. So like we have skin conditions, you can change their age, so whether it's an adult, older, or you know, senior. You can then change like reptile, this kind of weird stuff I was meaning. You can reptile eyes, glowing eyes, two tongues, pointy ears, crazy stuff, right? And you can create all these different ones. I also have this one here, which I thought was a bit creeped me out a little bit. So I changed it to a person, just said make it a human, and there we go, boom. So how do you make videos then from these? So you have like this influencer. All you have to do is click on here, and then it'll give you some viral motions it can do. If you click on explore more, you'll see that they're all here. Now, they're leaning in for marketing purposes into the kind of like viral TikTok stuff, as you can see. Now, all of these people, or well, none of these people are real people. They're all made up people, which is completely bonkers. Just think, if all of these people are made up, sure, some of them look it, but some of them don't. And the scary thing is that all it takes is to have one that doesn't, and then suddenly, you know, your entire like reality in social media is gone. Anyway, so all of this stuff, you can use these like viral ones. So we have here our character. You can then select one, like for example this one, pop up here, and then you can just generate. Now, I've done a few already. Let me show you over here, just so you don't have to wait around. I have some Blue Peter ones. That's a old UK reference you may or may not get. So let me scroll back down. So I selected my initial person, which is this one here, and this, like, he's big and strong or whatever type of dance. And then you can play it here.
With my bestie, like everything fun. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants.
It's crazy how it's got all like creases and movements, right? And even there's a mirror here. Although it's funny because you can't see the camera in the mirror, which is interesting. But you can see them in the mirror, which I think has done a really good job of. I then got it to do, it's this one here. So here's a video reference of like, I had tried to make a video of me with someone else and it merged my face up. But I still had this video, you know, lying around. So I've got this person, this character now creating this video as well. Auth management, secrets management, and storage buckets. These are for files, which is pretty cool. So this is basically the serious production side of the app. But as you may have known, Auth man. Now the reason its mouth looks a bit weird is because the mouth's a bit weird in this one too, like the lower teeth, like lots of lower teeth action and the way it's talking. I say it because they're all AI characters. So this is our more modest one with another. But I think you're starting to get the gist now that I have this one person across a bunch of different videos, and especially if these were in shorts and stuff, you'd have no idea this wasn't a real person. So I then tried to get it to do a custom thing, so like have a sip of coffee using this this start frame that I had given it, this one here. But Sora 2 didn't work. I tried a couple of times. And then I got 2.5 fast to do it, but because it's fast, it's not the best, but still.
Make a coffee sign.
That still looks like a real person. And then I haven't watched this one yet, but this is super cool. I got a multi-shot one, so you can change over on the left here. So motion library, you can have all of these motions, right? But you can then edit video as well. And you can't, so like this here, like changing stuff, but you can also generate video and you can change which model. So here, Veo 3.1, Kling, other Kling, Minimax, Sora 2, etc. And some of them have different like general, for example here, but some of them have all of this other kind of pre-done stuff that you can go in and try out, which is a bit dodgy. Let's get away from that one. Whoops. Where's it gone? Where's my there we go, history. So this one here's a Veo 3.1 with multi-shot mode. So this allows you to like chop up into little bits, and it automatically created this entire prompt here with multiple shots. So let's see what it's got. All I asked it as well initially was something simple, just like wave at the camera or something, and then it just created an entire shot. So let's see.
Why don't coffee secrets ever last? Because they always spill the beans.
Oh. That's what it was. Say a joke.
Why don't coffee secrets ever last? Because they always spill the beans.
Now it looks kind of AI here, but if you want it more realistic, you can just go and change the models and look, through to see which is the best one. I think one.
Make a coffee.
I think one looks a bit better. Sora is also really good, but Veo 3, I mean, it's pretty good as well. Now, the crazy thing here is you can also earn with these influencers, which is, mental. So you go into Higgsfield.ai/earn, you can come on here, make videos with your AI influencer, and then make money from them, basically. So they're incentivizing you using their platform by posting and then adding them here. And it's an interesting kind of experiment for you to try. Also, if you want to like make consistent characters, because I think AI influencers can get a bad rap if they're just spam. But in a weird way, all the influencers that you know, you don't know them. So they could be not real anyway, as far as you're concerned, like characters, like, movie stars. And then the other ones that are like obviously not real, like this lizard or whatever he is, these are like characters like, like a Disney character. So they're kind of contentious, but I can see an ethical argument for and against. Let me know in the comments what you think below. But basically, all you have to do is sign up, make a video, post a video, add the link, and then you'll get paid. And they also will monitor your videos and pay you if you get like loads of views as well, which is pretty cool too. And as you can see here, they have mad payouts if you get loads of views, basically. So I was looking down here. Here's some of the examples. And my favourite, I have some favourite and least favourite. Here, I thought this alien one is like funny. This could be like a character. If you remember like that Yeti character in the, what's his name? I don't know. The Yeti from the forest, whatever that guy's called. But I thought this one here looks so real. See this, like you're locked in for 2026. I think this one looks so real. Like this could be a real person's video and you'd have no idea. And it's using that multi-shot thing as well. Whereas some of them, like this blonde woman, I was going to say, but it's just a bunch of pixels. This looks AI, but this one not at all. I'm mad impressed. So yeah, loads of people using it. Go and check out the Earn if you want to earn with it. Just go and check it out and see what's happening, because you don't want to bury your head for this kind of stuff, because you want to at least know what's possible so that you don't get duped, or just so that you're aware of where it's going. So anyway, let me know in the comments below, are you going to do this? What do you think about it? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.